What's up, y'all? Happy Thursday. I'm back on mission. Listen, today has been a day for me. Yep. What y'all doing though? How y'all day going? So, I've been thinking about doing this pole dancing class. It's like pole fitness or whatever. I've been wanting to do it for a long time, since before I got back to Georgia. And it's this lady here in Huntsville who does it. So I've been wanting to go. I think I'm gonna make schedule an appointment. Is that what it's called? Schedule a session with her. So when I was on her website earlier, she had some available days for Saturday. So I think I might schedule one for that this Saturday. And if I do, y'all know I'm gonna bring y'all with me. You know I'm gonna record there if she let me. I just want to get my upper body strength stronger. I want to get my upper body stronger. I want to lose my stomach too. Still not eating pork or beef. It's going good. I've been craving some spaghetti though. Spaghetti been on my mind. I might do some. I don't know. Good morning, y'all. It's Friday. Morning first Friday. Y'all seen that the company was playing soccer. We won. So yeah, now we're about to go do some classes, and then we're going to an arcade, like Clubhouse type thing. I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna bring the camera. Dang, I'm stuttering. I'm gonna bring the camera so y'all can see how my day going. Right now, I'm about to go in the house and cook up some scrambled eggs, some fruit, and I'm gonna make some tater tots. Something to hold me over until lunchtime. But yeah, I made my appointment to go to a pole fitness class. So that appointment is, or that class, that session is Saturday at 12. I am going to, dang. So for some reason, I just remember, my plugs, for some reason my socket stopped working. Like this one stopped working and the one behind the microwave stopped working. I don't know why. I need to call them, I guess, and see. Yep, don't work. Neither one of them. But anyway, I'm about to get tater tots. Start these up first, because you know eggs don't take long at all. So, move this air fryer. Y'all, I'm kind of excited. About going to pole dancing. Looks so fun. This air fryer is the best thing that I could have bought. I'm telling you. Let's take y'all up here since it don't work. Alright. Air fry bowl right here. Potato tots. You know how I'm coming. About 10. Alright, that's good. I got it on $3.90, and I'm gonna put it for like, I'm gonna do 11 minutes. Then I'll come check halfway and start cooking the eggs after I come check on it. Y'all, I'm gonna add some butter. Add a little butter to the pan. Right there. Let that melt down a little bit. Then I'm gonna add some of these stinking onions. The onions stink, but they're so delicious. All right. Do that right there. Ooh. All right. I'm just playing. I'm gonna add a couple of these. Let them cook down a little bit. And then we're gonna go from there. While the butter and the eggs cooking down a little bit, I'm gonna add the spinach in there so it can cook down and not just be like, you know, still fresh or whatever. So add a little spinach in there. As the spinach is cooking, I'm just gonna add in the eggs and cheese and season it. Y'all know, let's see. Y'all know I gotta season my stuff up. So I got salt, pepper, and smoked paprika in it, and cheese, like I said. I'm just let that cook and mix in with the spinach and the eggs. You know what I'm saying? Like, look. I might be getting up there with Waffle House, y'all. Because Waffle House got some good scrambled eggs. I don't know what they do with their eggs, but them things be busting. So, yeah. Alright, y'all, this is my plate. Scrambled eggs with spinach, onions and cheese. A little bit of burnt eggs, because that's delicious. Some tater tots, strawberries, and I got almond milk because I ran out of orange juice. So I'm gonna make it do what it do. I'm finna go ahead and eat, shower, get dressed, and go. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I just want to show y'all my positive affirmations that I'm going to be reading every morning. This one I'm wearing right now. I'm going to show y'all in a different camera, in a different mirror downstairs. It's supposed to be, my nose. It's supposed to be like casual type, but it's not like that. So this one I'm going to wear. I don't like the fact that it's like, it looks like it's in the water, but it's really supposed to be like that. So I might just do something to my edges. I gotta go. I'm gonna bring the Gossipy gel in the car. Might do something slight to my edges. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all there. Cause I'm running late. Bye. Alright, y'all. So I'm headed to the classes right now. I need to put some lotion on my feet, but I was running late, y'all. So I'm gonna let y'all know when I get there. We're teaching classes over, well, all the leaders are teaching classes over safety. So the focus is safety. So the class that I'm teaching is over DUIs. Yeah. Everybody gonna pick their own classes. I just got like, my class gonna be real short. I just got like a few a few facts and statistics of DUIs and like the percentages and all that. I'm gonna ask them a few questions, like, you know, and that's gonna be it. I don't really like talking like that. So I'm gonna see what they got to say. I'm gonna get some feedback, and yeah. All right, y'all. So this is what it is.
You know? Yeah, that part. Big Z. Big.
It's almost 2:45. Yeah, it's 4:50. He's probably gonna be mad because I'm picking him up before 5. But what's the difference, right? Yeah. You don't even see me, y'all. Excuse me.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. That's how y'all be getting sick. Come on.
He's going home too.
Did you have a good day?
Yes.
Ooh. You okay?
Not that much. I forgot to eat though.
You forgot to eat.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Your shoes not tied up. What you want to eat?
I don't know.
What do they have to eat?
I don't know. I forgot to go look.
Get that book bag. Yeah. He owed me 10 push-ups because I asked him if he knew where our house was from his school. He said yes. He said go left and go right, but it really was 2 lefts. So I said, if I'm right, you gotta do 10 push-ups. If you're right, I don't know. But anyway, we turned left twice and not left, right. So begin.
1,
Go down lower than that.
1,
Yep.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3, 4,
Lower.
5,
Mm-hmm.
6, 7,
Lower.
8,
Yep.
9,
Mm-hmm.
10.
Hold it. Go back down.
Oh, I got the home.
Go down. Shoot.
Can you stay down though?
Okay, you can get up. Anyway, one of the story is I was right. Y'all, I love these. They finally got some more. I like this one. This is the only one I really like. I haven't tried these.
What is
Let's
that?
get this one.
What is that?
Body scrub. Let's get some.
Only for girls.
No, it's for men too. I'm gonna try these. Let me know if y'all tried these before. Leave a comment down below. Those. This is my favorite. Huh? Don't hit the wall. Alright, now we're going to get some groceries. Okay, y'all. Am I the only one who likes to watch house videos? Like, I love seeing built houses and houses that are being built. I can't wait to get my favorite home. And this is in Georgia too. Okay, y'all, he wanted to show y'all this right quick. He made it at school. Each night before Christmas, when good nights have been said, take one loop off, then hop into bed. When Christmas is here, you can surely tell, for that is the night that you come to the bell. Y'all, I can read. I'm looking at it and trying to look at the video. Anyway, look. So is this is how long it is.
So this already has
how many you take off?
3.
That's 4.
Oh. Okay.
But yeah, so we'll just
set this up.
so you won't take one off tomorrow because that's 4 days. Right?
No, there's 3 days. I forgot.
Mm-hmm.
I just took this off until tomorrow.
Okay. So I need to get some tape so that I can tape it on the wall for him. Probably right here beside the Christmas tree. So he can just come up and take it off. But yeah, y'all. I just want to come show you this. And
Yay!
you have it for Christmas?
Yes.
What you want for Christmas? Tell them what you want for Christmas.
I don't know.
Something.
A new phone, I think.
A new phone? You already got that. You just getting it on Christmas. What else you want? He originally told me that he wanted.
New toys.
He originally told me that he wanted a puppy for Christmas, but now he's saying new toys. So he gonna get some toys.
I do want a puppy.
He gonna get some clothes and shoes too. But he gonna get some stuff. He gonna be satisfied. He gonna be happy. I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all later, probably tomorrow. So let me tell y'all, I made my appointment. Did I tell y'all that already about the pole fitness? I probably did. I'm not gonna repeat myself, but I'm excited to go to it tomorrow. My appointment is at 12, and I'm excited. I'm gonna do a separate vlog for that because I messaged her on Instagram and I was like, do you allow vlogging during your sessions or whatever? And she was like, yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow. All right, y'all. So what y'all looking at right now is my son flushed the toilet with too much tissue in there and it flooded the whole downstairs. Like, oh my God. Good morning. It's 11:32. I'm about to head to the pole class, fitness choreography. On the little notes she put in when you make your appointment, she said wear shorts and short sleeves. And she said do not come heavily lotioned. But I just got out the shower. They just got that water up, as y'all can see, and I'm gonna just lotion my elbows, my knees, cause maybe my hands, I don't know. But I gotta go. It's not that far, but I want to get there at least before 11:50 or 11:55 type. So I'm gonna let y'all know. I might include a small clip from my phone, but I'm gonna be recording a separate video for that. So I'll see y'all when I get there.
So I'm trying to get into the social media thing too. So I need you to hurry up. When it comes down, they on my tummy, but
Alright, y'all, so I'm back. I feel good. We meditated at the beginning and everything. Y'all gonna see it in the video that I have separately for that. But it was nice. I feel really relaxed. I finally did a little cardio or whatever. My legs hurt though. So I'm at Chick-fil-A right now getting something to eat for me and my son. And then I'm gonna go back home. Yeah. Bye y'all. This might be the end of the video, the vlog. I don't know yet. Cause he still gotta get a haircut. So I kinda wanna like put him getting a haircut on the vlog. But I might leave that for something else. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post another video. Bye y'all.